Today we are talking about fear. Fear simply means that you are not living with your life, but you are living with your mind. Your fear is always about what is going to happen next. That means your fear is something about that does not exist. So if your fear is about non-existing thing, which means your fear is 100% imaginary. If you are suffering from something that is not existent, people usually call it insanity. People are always suffering from something that may happened in the past or going to happen in future. Your suffering is always about something that does not exist. This is simply because you are not living with the reality, but you are living in your mind. Mind has two parts. One is memory and other one is imagination. Both are in one way are imagination because both are not existing right now. You're lost in your imagination, which is the basis of your fear. If you live with your life or if you live in reality, there will be no fear. Fear stops us from doing small things and bigger things. Simply, fear may be from rejection of something or from job, or fear may be from failure. The answer is very simple. You cannot overcome something that does not exist. I'm asking a simple question to you. Right now you are watching this video. Are you in fear? I may something that may harm you. The answer is simple. You are not always in fear. When you are not in fear, just stay like that. In order to remain in fear, you have to do excessive imagination. To not into a fear, you don't have to do anything. Fear actually happening because of your excessive thinking. That thing doesn't happen. You are creating that thing. The things that you are imagining in your mind may happen in 1,000 different ways, or simply, or probably they may be not going to happen. It is always about something that does not exist. How can you fight with something that does not exist? You can fight something that exists in your life. You may be win that battle too, but not this battle anymore. So why not just enjoy the fear? Because we are the one who are producing it. And it is very disappointing as a producer because you are producing something that other don't watch, but you keep producing it. These thoughts are actually affecting your body. People usually ask me how thoughts can affect someone's body. So I gave them a simple example. Try to think about a food that you like most, probably fish or something that making you very feel happy or give you a pleasure to eat that thing with full of chilies and salt. See, you're watering in your mouth. So this is what actually thoughts are doing with your body. You are even thinking about the food right now, and your glands keep producing hormones or chemicals in your body. This is what thoughts do to your body. What you have to do is just stay as you are right now, feeling no fear. Stay without fear as you are right now. Do not let your fear to overcome your body and affect your body, because your body is very important and it is not formed for the fear. Fear is not good for your body. Fear actually leads to the stress, and stress is not good for your immunity. As we are facing a problem that is COVID-19, and it has to do directly with your immunity. So try to save your immunity and do not produce any kind of stress by imagining extra or excessive things.